Hey Mayvenn team, Shay here. I know we're all very eager to be getting back to work here soon. We appreciate all of the hard work and we're very excited for this next chapter that we're about to head on to. I'm going to be walking you through some of the safety measures we're taking here at Mayvenn to make sure you and your clients are staying safe during this time. Coming out of quarantine, you and your clients may be facing a lot of fear and uncertainty. Mayvenn requires all of our stylists to practice the highest standard of safety precautions when performing any Mayvenn service. Wearing a mask while performing services, thoroughly cleaning your mask before and after each use. Only see clients who have booked appointments and are feeling well. Only service one client at a time. Ask clients to wear masks during their appointments. Use and change disposable gloves whenever there's a possibility of cross-contamination. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Repeat hand washing in front of your clients throughout their appointments. Thoroughly clean and disinfect your station, salon chair, and any necessary tools in between clients. Explain your safety and sanitation standards to your clients and maintain a clean, safe salon environment. Disinfect your tools before each appointment and inform your clients of the steps you have taken. We strongly recommend following your state board's guidelines for everyday safety and sanitation. Following these guidelines are not only good for your safety, it's good for business. Clients will be looking for reputable services they can trust, and together we can help set the standard for the entire industry. Our new salon services are an exciting opportunity for our entire stylist community, and we're just getting started.